Holds the ball, natapikan, ball stolen. And all the way to the house, nalusot, back and forth to stolen. And here you go, Nahari sa corner, lace. Yes sir, finally nakalusot. And here spins, pass of the window, basket, and 1 ang kapalit. 2-on-1 ang laban, 3-on-1 lace, may foul. Mas bucket and 1. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Sur para sa laban ng Magsingal versus Santo Domingo. And it's a jump ball mga idol, and first ball po. And a drive pass on the inside, number 25. Whoop, won't go. Single, Agbisit. Pass back to Agbisit. Agbisit, pass on the inside. Case to the corner, open for 3 fires. Still won't go. And here you go, number 7. My foul. Hope no basket. And same ball, Santo Niño, falls up, long two, won't go, number 10 the rebound, he spins, posting up, fires, won't go, still the rebound, number 17 floater, libre si Tapawan, bakit po? And his team Magsingal, Agbisit, pass back to Agbisit, holds the ball, natapikan, ball stolen, and all the way to the house, nalusot, back and forth to stolen. And here you go, Nahari sa corner, lace. Yes sir, finally nakalusponan ng Magsingal. And here you go, Santo. And here spins, pass of the window, basket, and 1 ang kapalit. And 7, 4 score. And a bounce pass to the middle. And attack, spin, abitin, lace. Whoa, battling for the rebound. And Tapawan for the rebound. Pass. Oh, gandang pasa, gandang tira. Good fit. Magsingal basketball. Arellano pass to number 8. Fires at 3. Off the target. Rebound. Santo Domingo. And a long pass. Oh, libre. Easy. 2 points. And here's team Magsingal. Number 11. Fires at 3. Bang! King the defense. Pass on the inside. Ball stolen. And a pass break, 2-on-1 ang laban, 3-on-1 lace, may foul, mas bucket and here comes Santo Domingo, number 10 between the legs, asking for a pick, pinasa kay number 15, Pakawan pull up jumper at 3, bang, nothing. Here comes Magsingal, setting the play, to the mid of the corner, to the middle, number 1, Arellano. Umatake, lace, lusot, bucket is good. And 15-9 score natin. And here's Magsingal, number 11, Arellano to the corner, to the middle, and Tax, pull up jumper at the free throw line, bucket for 2. Here comes the backdoor inbound for Team Santo Domingo, pinasa sa loob, pass back, pull up jumper, bucket for 2, Pakawan. Arellano, number 11, pass to number 2, Tolentino, pass to the middle, and pass it, pull up jumper at 3, bam, bulls up. And here's number 7. And drive, Sariola, cross pass, Higgs, Pakawan, pass to the middle, pass back, hook shot, Wogo, the rebound by the big man, spins, pumiso, pulls back shot, may foul na naman. And here's Arellano, pass back to Arellano, setting the play, pass inside, pull up J on the corner, won't go, oops. And away, 1, oh, pasa, libre, all the way to the house and easy back. Agbisit at the middle. Tolentino to Agbisit. Agbisit, atake mula sa gitna. Ipix, clutch fire, all the way to the ace, basket and 1. 17-20 score natin. Oh, here go, pass on the inside, alley-oop pass, the pass and the finish. And here you go, Team Magsingal. Agbisit drives, natapikan, stolen, baseball pass, and nauna, 3 sila sa baba. And yes, easy, 2 points. Here's Agbisit. Tolentino to Agbisit. Agbisit mula sa gitna, and to the corner. And number 8. Stop, long 3, bang! One goes to Magsingal, and here's Agbisit, pass back, sa 3 ulit, bang! And 23-21 score natin. Almost stolen. Spins. Wild open for 3. Pakawan. Off the mark. Oh, nagkatipinan. Rebound. Olivas. And here's Agbisit. The long pass to the corner. Drives. Natapikan mula. Stolen. Baseball pass. And all away. All alone to the bucket. Easy 2 points. Here's Agbisit to the middle. Pass to number 8. Holds the ball. Pass to Olivas. Pass to Tolentino. Agbisit. Corner pass. Open for 3. Off the mark. And a pass break here. Pakawan. Stops. Long pass. Number 28. Oy, uy. Oy, oy, oy. Kita ka ni Rep. Huli ka. Oy! And drives. Agbisit all the way to the hoops. Won't go. Battle for the rebound. Oh, so palpalang inabot. And a pass break here. Number 28. Floater long. Ooh. And here's Arellano. No look pass. Fakes. Catch. So palpal. Rebound. Fakes. Spins. Decided to kicks out. Number 11. Arellano spinning. Pass to number 16. Agbisit. Corner pass. Wild open for 3. Oh, in and out. Here you go, Santo Domingo. Pass inside. Oops. Oop. Down for Santo Domingo. Looking for the receiver. Number 28 received the ball. He stops. And to number 7. Oops. Oop, almost stolen. Recovers. Oh, stolen. Ball is stolen. And here's number 28. Supalpal ang inabot. Backdoor inbound for Santo Domingo. Pass on the inside. Bounce pass. Libre off the window. Bagal for 2. Agbisit. Oops. Almost stolen. Oh, he's stolen. And here you go. Babawi. Bumawi. Nakabawi. And here's number 7. Between the legs. Using the screen. Attacks. Oops. Ball deflected. Recovers. And still recover. Floater shot. Oh, battle for the rebound. Makukuha dito ng magsingal. The long pass. Rebound. Put back. Oh, pasok na pa. Backdoor inbound. Libre. Bucket for 2. And down to 1 point lead. And there's Olivas to make way. Pull up jumper. Bucket is good. Pass to the middle. There's number 25. Pass to inside. Number 6. Fires off the glass. Bucket is good. And here's number 11. Arellano to the corner. Olivas. Back to 3 point. And here's number 10 to the middle. Number 7 to the corner. Pull up J. Pakawan is good. And here you go. Agbisit to Arellano. Sidestep. Kicks out. Open for 3. Fires. Short. Rebound. Pass bounce inside. And oops. Ball stolen. And here you go. Santo Domingo nauna all the way to the hoops. Easy 2 points. And here you go, number 15 all the way to the hook shot. Oop, in and out. And tie game tayo mga idol. And here's Santo Domingo. Pass to the corner. Attacks. Lays. Lusot na lusot. 37-39. Acosta. Sa gitna sa 3. Bang! And here's number 10. Pakawan to the corner. And pass to number 10. Open. Pinas sa loob. Uy, libre. Oh, may foul ulit. And here's number 8. Foronda. Arellano. Arellano to the corner. Acosta. Pull up jumper. Go! Ang taas ng 40-39 score. Magsingal. Up by 3. Number 8. Arellano to the corner. Pass on the inside. Kicks out. Open for 3. Bang! And oy, natapikan. Natapikan ulit. Stolen. And all the way. Binitbit easy bucket. Rebound Agbisit. Nagkabanggaan. Bump blocking foul. Akala ko naghalikan. Charis. And stolen. And sinausaw. Acosta with the sausaw. And here's number 8. With the ball. Shot clock down to 12. Acosta to number 8. Spins. Pass back Acosta. And here's Agbisit. Launch on 3. Off the mark. Rebound Acosta. Put back. And connects. Baseball pass. That's the third quarter action. Ball possession mag-single. Ag-visit. Stolen by number 11. Oops, nakapitan. Ball deflected. Ball is stolen. And number 8. Behind the back pass. Sa gitna. Sakto. Wala. And it's number 16. Ag-visit. Corner pass, wide open for 3. Bang! Acosta! And it's number 7, bounce pass. Pakawan, it's floater of the glass. Yes, sir. Nolan is number 7. Binit all the way to the Eos. Bucket is good. And down to 12 points para sa koponan ng magsingal. Number 1 to Acosta. Arellano corner pass. And to the middle. Natapikan is stolen again. And recovers. Hook pass. And here's Acosta. Acosta. Pinasa kay Arellano sa gitna. Bounce pass. Pull up jumper. Olivas. Bucket is good. And here you go. Pass back. Arellano for 3. Short. Rebound. Olivas. Yes. So, rebound. Looking for the receiver. Libre. Na basket. And here's number 11 for the inbound. Oops, natapikan mula si Bugodi, stolen. And here you go, easy bucket. With the ball, dribbling crossover, nakalusot. Sa supal pa lang inabot. And it's stolen and a pass break. And it's number 7, stop, pinasa kay number 10 of the window. Bucket for 2. Rebound, nag-visit. Nag-visit, straight to the hoop, pinasa. And here you go, Olivas kicks out, wide open for 3. Bang! 3 seconds, no basket. No. Here you go. Dame Santo Domingo, number 7. Bounce pass. Pass back. Libre. The connection. And here's Ag-visit. Ag-visit all the way to the hoops. Lay short. Follow-up shot. It's number 7. One hit pass. Spins. Spade fires. Bucket is good. Visit. Crosses the mid lane. Ag-visit. Corner pass for Honda for 3. Short. Battle for the rebound. Long pass. And libre. Takes clutch far of the glass. Rebound, put back and 1. And the long pass. Pass back. Ag-visit with the ball. Ag-visit. Atake. Corner pass. Acosta. Short to strong. Pass break na naman. And it's Pakawan, easy to Pakawan. Pass back, natapikan na naman, may foul. Tie game tayo mga idol. Bucket and setting the play. And here's Ag-visit. Pass on the inside, dalawa yung gumardya. Cooks to the corner. Number 1, nadulas. Between the legs, iniwan. Kicks to the corner. Pull up jumper, wala. And here you go again. Pakawan, baseball pass. And here's number 7, drives to the hoop, plays. 3-point. And here's Team Magsingal, Ag-visit. And pass, hoop number 21, natapikan na naman, nag-dive for the ball. And it's let all alone, binit-bit pass. Bucket is good. And then stolen, and it's 3-on-1, 4-on-1, lays. Wala, nalibre, easy bucket. Pikan is stolen. And here you go again, pass break. Natapikan pa. Recover, bounce pass to the middle. Floater of the glass, Pakawan, won't go. And binasa, pass break. 1-on-1. And 4 ronda of the glass. Wala, 4 ronda pa rin. Basok of the glass, 4 ronda. Seconds on the game clock. 3, 2. Sa 3. That's the end of the It's number 7. Setting the play. Stops to the middle. Pass inside. Libre. Supal pa lang inaabot. Grab. And for the inbound. And for it's to the middle. Number 10. Pull up jumper. Free throw line. Won't go. Put back shot of the glass. Bucket for 2 pa nag-visit. Pass break. 2-on-1. Tolentino drives to the hoops. Bucket for 2 down. And here you go. Pass to the corner. To the middle. Number 7. Pinasa sa gitna na agawan. Dadalawa sila. And all alone. Tolentino for the lead. 1 point. Lead tayo. And boxing. For 3. Oops, may tawag. Oh, Agbisit. Pass it, pass back. Agbisit. And top, cross pass. For Ronda, Bumanga, hook pass, stolen, deflected, and here you go. Oh, Lalon, easy bucket! With the ball, dribbling at the middle, stops, pass inside, oh, libre, easy to the connection. And here's number 2. Pass to the middle, number 15, natapikan, ball is stolen. 2-on-2, pinasa, Pakawan, bucket for 2. 4-point lead for Santo Domingo. Here's Acosta. Oh, Pule, double dribble. And here's number 7 to number 15. Pakawan, pass back. Number 7, pull-up jumper. Bucket is good, 6 points. And here's Tolentino. Acosta. Acosta natapikan, stops, nagulo, stolen away. And there you go, easy bucket. And dito, rebound para sa, pinabitin, may foul. Rebound, natapikan, stolen. And it's Tolentino, number 15. Oop. And 6-point lead for Santo Domingo. Last throw, pasok pa rin. Oop. To the middle. Top, Pakawan, pass to number 7. Ariola, pass to number 8. Oh, traveling. Here's Agbisit. And passes to Poronda. Number 15, drive. So the hopes, bucket is good. Pinabitin pa. Lead for team Santo Domingo to the middle. Sa gitna, yung dalawa. And pinira, may foul. Oops. Here's Agbisit. And a 5-point lead for Team Santo Domingo. Number 15. To the middle. Agbisit. Corner pass to the middle. Luso Palpal ang inabot. And here's number 7. One single hand pass. Number 10. Gonzales. Pakawan. To the gitna. Pull up J. Bucket! 7-point lead for Santo Domingo. Here's Domingo. Pass to the middle, number 15. Long three. Off the mark. Rebound. Agbisit pinasa. Pull up J off the glass. Bucket is good. Foul goes to team Magsingal. Corner 3. Agbisit. Short. Rebound. Put back. Oh, sinausan. For the inbound. And here's number 7. And nakalusot to the corner, pull up jumper, short, battle for the rebound, still recover, hook shot, wala pa rin, rebound, 1-foot shot, wala, and rebound, hook pass, oops, it's Poronda, all the way to the host, my foul, and for the free throw, Poronda, 1 minute 22 seconds left, bucket, 84-86, 1 minute 22 seconds, free throw, 1 point seconds, 1 point lead, Santo Domingo. And it's number 7. Atake mula sa gitna, stop, pull up jumper at the free throw, won't go. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha dito ng Magsingal. Hook pass. And it's number 15, pass back. And Agbisit, take it easy. And a drives all the way. Pinabitin, may foul. Agbisit for the tie. Tie game. Tie game, 1 minute left. Fire, Swift target. Rebound, Pakawan. Pakawan with the ball. Pass to the middle. And Pakawan taking it easy. Stops. Looking for receiver. Number 10, pass back, Pakawan sa gitna. Uso, palpal mula sa likod. Recover, fires. Short, rebound, put back, may foul. Free throw, ang dami naghihiwawan for the lead. Won't go. And for the lead. Won't go. 2 free throw. And 35 seconds left. And here's Tolentino to the middle. Corner pass. Agbisit. Drives. My foul. Tie game 86 for the free throw. First free throw di pumasok for the lead. Uy. 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 And here you go, number 15, Pakawan drives, lays, my foul. And tie game tayo, first throw pumasok, 23 seconds for the lead, up by tayo mga idol. 20 seconds left, 1 point lead para sa kupunan ng Santo Domingo. Sa gitna, Agbisit, dribbling the ball, didiskarte sa corner, sa tres, BAM! For the lead, ang gagalaw, 9 seconds up, at the line, oy! The inbound, looking for the receiver, pass to the middle, Agbisit, my foul, oh my foul! First on the free throw, 6.9 seconds remaining, oh bakit? And last on the free throw, bucket, 4-point lead. And a baseball pass, natapikan, recovers, is stepping on the line, taking it easy. Uy. And may foul pa. Two shots pa. Bucket, Terstro. Stop. Oh, and go. And